guys, Carolynn Castillo here, listing agent with eXp Realty. Today we're located at a historic home located in Miami in a neighborhood called ALAPATTAH. Let's go take a look. What's up guys, I'm so excited to show you this house today. As I mentioned, we're located in ALAPATTAH, which is literally blocks from the famous Wynwood. Now this area is up and coming. Real estate has been booming in this area. Developers are coming in and they're building this area up. The really cool thing about this house is it's almost 100 years old. So this is actually a historic home. The architecture is completely different, but the amazing thing is that the owners have updated the inside completely. So let's go take a look. So one of the really nice things is they did do this extra patio right here on the front, so you can enjoy the front patio. And you also see that the property is completely gated, so you can pull your cars in and you can park here. I just love the tile. It's so nice. It's such a cute little look. So here we go. We're entering in. So you enter into, right when you come into the living room, and they have done a fresh new tile in here. They painted the walls a nice gray, so it's a really nice setup. And here you have bedrooms on one side and the kitchen on the other side. I'm going to show you the bedrooms first. So come over here. Now they did make a change to some of the rooms. This is an original 4-bedroom, 2-bath. This first room, they combined the 2 rooms into one. Okay, so I'll show you now. So here, right here, you have the first room with the door, and then here they made it like a master suite. So here would be where the second room is. So you could make this a 4-bedroom again, or you can leave it as a really big 3-bedroom. All you would have to do is put up a little wall right here, and then you've got 2 full rooms here. Okay. So let's go over here. They do have a bathroom that was just renovated. So you're going to see here they've got a brand new vanity, brand new tile, brand new shower. So this is a real plus. And then you have another bedroom here, which is a really good size. There's a lot of stuff in here and it's really nice size. 2 windows in here, fresh paint. It looks really nice. Now, let me go show you the kitchen and the dining area. The nice thing about living in this location is, like I said, you're literally blocks from Wynwood. This area is so up and coming. You're right next to the Metro Rail, and you're literally right next to Wynwood, East Side. I mean, it's awesome. So right here, I don't want to pass it by. We do have the dining area here. So it's a really nice dining area. You got the 2 windows. And you have the open kitchen. So this kitchen was actually just remodeled. They opened this up so it's a complete open concept. You've got the granite countertop, the updated gray cabinetry, which is really nice. Lots of cabinets here, and I love when they do this. They put the clear glass in here, so it gives it really a nice touch. All the appliances are new. Refrigerators new. They actually have 2 refrigerators here, okay? And I was told that one is for food and the other one is for beer, okay? So if you're thirsty when you come, okay, check the refrigerator. So this is actually another bedroom, another room, and also a bathroom here. Now this person is a professional seamstress. So right now you're going to see it is in a working manner, okay? All their sewing machines and everything. Got this little mannequin here. Hello. Okay. But this is a whole nother room here. They have a closet behind here. And then, like I said, there's a bathroom that also has been updated. So you have a small bathroom here, but it's a full bathroom. It has a shower and everything there. So it's perfect. So let me show you the back. Now, the really cool thing is there was some peacocks out here just a little while ago. So it's been really interesting. But I just love what they did out here. They built out all of the concrete area. You've got this huge shed. This is a brand new shed, so this will be staying with the property. You can store all of your things here. And then you just have this enormous patio. So they actually just recently cleared this out. So this can be anything that you want it to be. If you want to, you know, put some grass back here, you want to do a pool, you want to do more concrete. I mean, this is a really nice sized backyard when you're on the east side in Miami, okay? You do also have access to laundry right here. There's a little laundry room here, so you'll do that. And I mean, look at this. You have this whole space here. This is going to be perfect if you want to do like a boat, trailer, anything like that you can store here. And I mean, look at the architecture. This house is completely different. You're not going to see anything like this anywhere in South Florida. This is a completely historic home that needs to continue to be that. They've kept it up to keep not change it and keep it very modern. So we're actually going to be putting this one on the market right away, and we're doing an open house on Saturday. So we're inviting everybody to come out and take a look at this house. When you see it in person, you're just going to fall in love. It has such a nice Miami vibe to it, and I just love the architecture. I love the modern with the old, even this beautiful tree here. I mean, it's just such a nice touch, and there's no grass to maintain here, which is another bonus. So I'm excited to show you this house. Please come out. My information is below. If you have any questions, let us know. We'd love to set up a private showing. Thanks for watching.